In this video, I'm going to be going over how to sign up with HostPapa step by step from start to finish. Signing up with HostPapa is a quick and easy process. I'll also be providing you with a HostPapa discount so you can save some money on your HostPapa web hosting purchase. You'll get up to 74% off plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the HostPapa hosting tutorial going over how to sign up with HostPapa. The first thing you want to do to sign up with HostPapa is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to HostPapa, and so you can take advantage of the HostPapa discount, getting you up to 74% off plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from HostPapa at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome HostPapa discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the HostPapa page shown here. Scroll down to the next section where it lists the HostPapa plans. You'll see you can get HostPapa web hosting for as low as $3.95 a month. You'll see 3 different HostPapa plans being listed. You'll see the Starter, Business, and Business Pro plan. You get up to 60% off the Starter plan, up to 74% off the Business plan, and up to 46% off the Business Pro plan. The Starter plan is good if you're going to have one website or just starting out, as this plan only includes one website. The Starter plan includes up to 100 email addresses you can create. The Business plan comes with unlimited websites and unlimited email addresses. This is a good plan if you're going to have more than one website. You'll get some advanced features with this plan, such as unlimited add-on domains, unlimited MySQL databases, and you'll get 2 times the CPU and MySQL resources with this plan. The Business Pro plan comes with unlimited websites and email addresses, just like the Business plan, along with advanced features. With the Business Pro plan, you'll also receive 6 times the performance and speed. You'll get a 300% performance boost and fewer accounts per server. You'll also receive Enhanced Security Suite, which includes Website Enhanced Content Delivery Network, Daily Malware Scan, a free website vulnerability scan, free website trust seal, malware removal assistance, advanced DDoS protection, website application firewall, free premium wildcard SSL, automated website backup of 1 GB, and free domain privacy. Once you are ready with a plan, click the Get Started button. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Business plan. Scroll down to the Order Details section. You can choose your billing term. Click on it, and you can choose between 12, 24, and 36 months. You'll see you'll get the greatest discount with a 36-month term. I'll choose the 12-month term for this tutorial. Next, you'll choose a server location. You can choose the United States, Canada, or Europe. Scroll down to the Add These Website Essentials section. You'll see some optional HostPapa website essentials you can choose from. The first one is Protection Power Website Security. This will protect your website from being hacked and malware being placed on it. It will also monitor your site and let you know of any vulnerabilities. If you hover over the green check mark, you can click the red X icon if you don't want this website essential. Next, you'll see Automated Website Backup. This will back up your website daily, and you can restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button. You can click the red X icon if you don't want this website essential. Next is a paid SSL certificate. HostPapa comes with free SSL certificates for your site. The free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate is fine for most. An example of where a paid SSL certificate could be good, in my opinion, is if you are going to have an e-commerce store selling products online and accepting payments on your site, or accepting payments on your site for anything like services, courses, consulting fees, and more, or dealing with high volume of sales. You can click the plus icon to add it if you like. Next, you'll see Papa Care Plus. This will give you front-of-line access to support and help with technical installations, advice to improve speed, and much more. You can click the plus icon to add it if you'd like. Click the Next Step button to proceed. You can now select your free domain name. If you already have a domain name, you can select the I already own a domain name and input it. I'll click back on I need a domain, type in a domain that you'd like to have, and click the Get My Domain button. On the next page, if you go over on the Your Order part, you'll see Domain Privacy with the charge. Domain privacy protects your personal information showing in the public whois database so that spammers and telemarketers don't get a hold of your information to flood your email or phone with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public whois database as domain names are regulated. With domain privacy, it'll show HostPapa's default contact information instead of yours. Highly recommend domain privacy. If you want to remove it, click the question mark icon and you can click Remove. Next, fill out your account details for your HostPapa account. Once you do this, it'll take you to where you can input your payment information in. Click the Place Your Order button. You've now successfully signed up with HostPapa and purchased your web hosting. HostPapa will now email you your receipt along with login details so you can start creating a site with HostPapa. That's my HostPapa tutorial on how to sign up with HostPapa. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more HostPapa hosting tutorial videos.